Hey there and welcome to App Hacks. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your ALDI mobile account. If you are an ALDI mobile user and need help signing in, you are in the right place. So let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type www.aldimobile.com.au to access the official ALDI mobile website. Hit enter. Once you're on the ALDI mobile website, look for Login or My Account option. Here we can see Login, so click on it to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will need to enter your ALDI mobile phone number or your email address as well as your password. After filling in your details, click on Login button to access your ALDI mobile account. And congratulations, you will be successfully logged in into your ALDI mobile account. From here, you can manage your plan, check your uses, and more. That's it. Logging into your ALDI mobile account is a breeze and it's a gateway to managing your mobile plans and services with ease. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.